This is one lucky fisherman. I'm down here at my local pond. I got one rod with me today. Right there, the Revo, Garcia Revo. Right-handed, 12-pound line, Bass Pro line. This is my condition, guys. She's choppy. I'm out here, the stream, in the wind. I've done caught one beautiful crappie and one awesome bass on the wobblehead jig with the Guggen bait right there, scented creature or crawl. But there it is, guys. I gotta fix her up and get back out here, but I just wanted to show you the conditions. Beautiful out here, but the wind's terrible, you know, choppy, windy. But fish are biting. So get out there and do some fishing. Y'all have a good afternoon. This is One Lucky Fisherman. I'm out.